Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for this week for Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 18th of November 2024, it's harder than Uvuma thought to get rid of Ukwenzo, who is trying very hard to be charming. Ukuzwayo and Upeteni realize they have something in common. Njengaya plans a holiday to encourage Utemba and Uwenzeni to bond. Then on Tuesday, the 19th of November, Velepi stumbles upon a juicy piece of information which makes her warm up to Sibongile. Utlina gets fed up with Vusi's attempts to woo her. Meanwhile, Utulisile is in for some disappointments. And then on Wednesday, the 20th of November, Njengaya and Nomfundo share an eyebrow-raising moment. Elsewhere, Uvuma shares with his children the plans to marry Usamke, while Ukuzwayo reels from hurt. Vusi's big moment to woo Klina falls flat. You guys, I think there's some interesting type of a storyline they're trying to develop there between Unomfundo and Unjengayo. Because I remember earlier on in the year, when not long after season 2 came back, there was a guy that they said is going to come into the scene of Sibongile and the Dlaminis, and this guy was supposed to be Unomfundo's secret admirer. So last week we saw Unomfundo, she got a gift, you guys, and she thought it was from Unjengaye. There was a note, but there was no name written there, and as she was about to call Unjengaye to thank him for the gift, Utemba came in the house, so she did not get that moment. So I think this week she's going to confront Unjengaye and thank him for the gift, and Unjengaye is going to be like, "Hey, Bomina, I did not send you a gift." So I think that's where the guy's gonna come in, and listen, Unjengaye is going to have some serious competition because there's another guy who's, going to lift up his socks or seemingly to win over Unomfundo. That's going to be interesting because I know it's going to impact the Dlamini household, because Upetian is going to notice those things. So maybe when Jengai is going to be irritable and all of that. So that's going to be interesting. And then Ukuzwayo and Upetian, guys, they realize they have something in common. Maybe that thing in common is their enemy in a sense, which is Usamke. So I don't know what's going to happen there, but I know in the end, guys, that Uvuma will eventually warm up to Ukwenzo, because I guess season 2 is gonna close off with Usibongile and Ukwenzo finally being together. But we'll see around that. Vusi shame. I really hope Utuklina does give him a chance, you guys, and takes him back, because they've both had their wrongs. Utuklina has had her wrongs, Vusi has had his wrongs. So I really hope they take one another, or she takes him back. But it doesn't seem like it. It seems like Utuklina Safuni next. But you know one thing, guys, Uti wants a woman. Once you gain that little bit of independence and you feel what it's like and not having people back controlling imali, like it's freedom. So maybe Utlina is going through that, guys, freedom in her life. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.